Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. Here's the solution of today's set. Please let me know in the comments that were you able to solve this set. It says that there are six goddesses. They participated in a weightlifting competition and it had two rounds, snatch followed by clean and jerk. In each round one is given three attempts and the participant must increase the weight by at least 2 kg and at most 5 kg. So minimum 2 kg increase and maximum 5 kg increase within a round, successive attempts of a round. However, they can start the second round, that is clean and jerk, with any weight more than what was lifted in the third attempt of snatch. So, if you do not understand this, an example is given that if someone lifted 90 kg in the second attempt of snatch, she has to lift minimum 92 because minimum increase is 2, maximum possible increase is 5. So, 92 to 95, anything she could lift. And suppose she lifts 93, so she can lift any weight starting from 94 kg. That could be 94, 95, 96, 100, 105, anything, right? So there is no upper cap on this in the clean and jerk round, first attempt of this. So that applies within that attempt. Now some more rules are given. All the weights are in multiples of 1 kg. The highest weight lifted in a round is known as the score of the round. So basically that is third attempt, and if it is, so there is a thing that is called as foul also. So in that case, second attempt, right? So highest weight is the score of the round. So for example, in this case these will be the scores of these people because that is the highest weight lifted in the third attempt, last attempt. The total score is the sum of the scores in the two rounds. So whatever is the highest weight lifted, you add those. If a candidate is unable to lift a weight, that is considered as a foul and counted as zero. So if you see zeros, that means that the candidate was unable to lift these weights. Okay, she has to try with the same weight. Okay, so you have to try with the same weight in the next attempt of that round if applicable. If applicable means this will apply only in the third attempt of snatch. So suppose the person fails in the third attempt of snatch, so in the fourth, in clean and jerk, that person can start with a new weight because that is given there. In clean and jerk you can start with new weight. Okay, data is only available only for first attempt of snatch and the third attempt of clean and jerk, and it is shown in the table also. These facts are given that each one of them committed a foul and no two participants committed a foul in the same attempt. So there are six participants and there are six attempts, three attempts here, three attempts here. So basically there will be a zero in each row and each column. That is what it means. The average weight lifted by Kali in the snatch round was this. So we can find the total weight lifted by her. The weights lifted by Lakshmi in successive attempts in the game form an arithmetic progression. So she lifts in arithmetic progression. Last attempt is zero, but she will have some attempt here. So that will be in arithmetic progression. The score of snatch round lied between 85 and 95, both exclusive. So 85 and 95 are not counted. Similarly, for clean and jerk, the score lied between 100 and 110. Okay, both are exclusive. Okay, Lakshmi and Parvati ended up with the same total score. So that is the information, only information known to us. We have to solve this set based on this information. Basically, not everything will be solved. Some questions will be asked, some definite questions, and some additional information given for questions. So here are the questions. What is the successive increase in the lift by Lakshmi in each attempt? So we are given that Lakshmi had this thing in arithmetic progression. Okay, now that is what where we shall start from. By solving this set, we shall start from Lakshmi only, because one thing that is given about her is that she attempted in increasing, that is an arithmetic progression. Okay, now this is an arithmetic progression. So what information will help us find out that what could be that arithmetic progression? See these pieces of information, two pieces of information. One is given that the score of snatch round is between 85 and 95 and score of clean and jerk is between 100 and 110. Okay, so let us say if she increases by 2 kg, right, just taking an example, minimum 2 kg. So 87, 89, okay, 91, 93, Not possible, because this score, this is 0, so her score will be counted in the second attempt. This is less than 100. Okay, now if we say 3, increase of 3, that means this will be 88, 91, 94, 97. Again, not possible. Okay, now if she increases by 4, she increases by 4, that is 89, 93, 97 and 101. Permissible, because this is between 85 and 95 and this is between 100 and 110. Now there should be unique answer because they have not mentioned anything, right? So you should choose the answer as 4. But let us check for 5 also. What happens if she lifts 5, if she increases by 5 kg? So if she increases by 5 kg, this will be 90, 95. Now this is not allowed because it has to be between 85 and 95. So hence the correct answer is 4 kg. Now we know the weights lifted by Lakshmi. So that is a certain thing that we can solve in this set. Okay, so these are the, and this satisfies both these conditions, this as well as this. Now we shall look at some other conditions also. What is given, that first is that Lakshmi and Parvati ended up with the same total score. So Lakshmi's score will be 93 plus 101, that is 194. Okay, and Parvati also will have a total score of 194 because both of them ended up in the same total. Okay, now if both of them ended up in the same total, that means Parvati will have a score of 90 in round 1, right? In snatch, Parvati will have a score of 90 because 90 plus 104 is 194. Now she has already lifted 88 kg. She has to increase by 2 kg. So what will happen is, either she will lift 90 kg here and 0 kg, like 0 kg in this round, or the other way around. So she will have a foul in this round. Okay, so if we talk about the fouls, we have to find that who committed foul in which round, right? So we know that Annapurna committed foul in this round. Parvati also committed foul in this round only, either in attempt 2 or in attempt 3, because uh, this is like if she has to lift 90, either she will lift 90 here, or if she misses, she will have to lift 90 here. If she has lifted 90 here, then it will be more than 90. Okay, so that is valuable for one of the questions. Then another thing that is given to us is that average weight lifted by Kali in the snatch round was 85.33, right? So 0.33 gives that 3 attempts. That means she took 3 attempts. Okay, so that means she did not commit foul. Kali did not attempt foul here. So Kali is someone who attempted foul in this round. Okay, and also we have Kali and we have Lakshmi also committing foul in this round. Okay, so we can find the fouls committed by which person for 4 of the people, but not for all 6. Okay, that will be helpful in one of the questions. Now next question is, what is the total score of Parvati? Since we have already solved for this, the answer is 194. Now what could be the maximum total score of Kali? Right? Maximum total score we have to find out. So Kali lifted 85.33 average. 85.33 into 3, if we do 85 into 3 is 255, and plus 1 256 kg. She lifted a total of 256 kg. Now subtract 82 in the first attempt, so 174 in attempt 2 plus attempt 3. Total is 174. Okay, so if we make, let us say if we make equal 87, 87, not possible because there should be minimum 2 increase of 2, right? So this is not possible. We can make 86 and 88, right? Average is 87, right? So increase, decrease 1 here, increase 1 here. 86, 88 is possible. Okay, 85, 89 is possible because this is also possible. Now the third case, if we think of 84 and 90, is it possible? No, because the difference is 6 in this case. This is a possible limit. Okay, so that is what we have. So now in this case, we have to find the maximum total of Kali, right? So maximum can be achieved when she has an 89 in this third attempt, right? 89 and we have 103 here. So her maximum total can be 192. So she has total of 191 or 192. Only two possibilities, maximum is 192. Okay. Which of the following statements cannot be true? Parvati committed a foul in the second attempt of snatch. Right? She could have committed here, she could have committed here. Right? We cannot say that it is not true. Okay. Annapurna had a total score of 195. See, nothing is given in about her, nothing is mentioned here. So we can assume that if she lifts 87 here, she can have 195. Right? We cannot say that it is not true. Okay. It may be true. Durga and Saraswati committed fouls in the same round. Now we have already determined the fouls committed by four of these players, right? So that is Annapurna, Parvati, Kali, and Lakshmi with reason. Parvati we figured out here. For Kali, it was given the average was given here, so she cannot commit foul in snatch round. She has to commit foul in the clean and jerk round, right? For Annapurna and Lakshmi, we are already given. So we can say that Durga and Saraswati cannot commit fouls in the same round. So one of them will commit foul here, another person will commit foul here. Right? So that cannot be true, right? And Kali's total is less than that of Durga. So Kali's total, we can say 191, 192. Durga can have any total. We are not given any such information about her, right? So it may be true, it may not be true, but this definitely will not be true. Okay, next question is, if Annapurna's total score was 197, what could be the maximum weight lifted by her in attempt 2 of snatch? So Annapurna's total score is 197. So that means her attempt, this should be 89, then only it will be 197. If this is 190, if this is 89, we have to find the maximum here. So maximum here will come when she has the minimum gap here, right? She can maximum lift 87 because she has to maintain 2 kg gap. If she lifts lesser than that, then gap will be more. So maximum she can lift is 87 kg. So that was a simpler one compared to this one. Next question, if all except Lakshmi lifted at least 100 kg in attempt 1 of clean and jerk and Kali did not commit foul in that attempt, which must be true? Okay, so which of these must be true? So if we see this, all except Lakshmi lifted at least 100 kg in this. Okay, so Lakshmi has already lifted 97, others lift more than or equal to 100. Now we do not know who all. Okay, we do not know who all because there will be one foul also. Okay, now let us read the questions and try to understand. Like, if we see this, if someone has, and it is given that and Kali did not commit foul in that attempt, so Kali is definitely playing in that round. Okay, now if Kali is lifting minimum 100 kg, she has to increase by at least 2 kg in both the rounds, isn't it? She has to increase by minimum 2 kg, right? If she is not committing foul here, she has to commit foul here, that is for sure. Okay, now if Kali is committing foul here and others, we have to see similar condition. If you see for Saraswati has 103 kg lifted here, right? Now if suppose she also participates in this round, okay, suppose she also participates, Kali is participating in the sense that not committing foul. Okay, it is given that Kali did not commit foul, suppose she also does not commit foul. Okay, now she has to increase by minimum 2 kg, minimum 2 kg, minimum 4 kg increase should be there, but we see that this is not possible, so she will also commit foul here in that case, isn't it? So this is not possible because in an attempt only one of them, each one of them committed a foul and no two participants committed a foul in the same attempt. Okay, so though the two cannot have a foul in this, so this means uh, Saraswati committed a foul in this round, because if this is equal to or more than 100, she has to commit a foul here, and as a result both of them will commit a foul here, right? So that means she will commit a foul here. So Saraswati committed foul in attempt 1 of clean and jerk, that is true. Now From this information, we know that Saraswati committing foul in clean and jerk. We know Kali and Lakshmi already committing foul here. So this means that Durga will commit foul in the snatch round. So this also becomes true. So this means that both first and second are true from this. So that was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions. I know it was a difficult set and you must have enjoyed solving it. And if you loved the explanation of this set, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching this video.